Hey you guys, what is up? I am back with a small mini haul for you guys today. If you guys have watched my CVS walk down the polish aisle with me video, this is what I picked up that day that I saw those polishes there. And if you guys have not seen that video, I will try to remember to link it in the description box or in the comments, so make sure you go watch it. I was so excited to come across these because I have not seen these yet, the ones with these pretty tops on them. It's the Celebrate Pride collection, and this is the SallyHansen Extreme Wear in Pacific Blue. It's so pretty. But I wish I should have looked for my Pacific Blue so I can compare. I wonder if I have it around here somewhere. And then I also picked up the Sour Patch Kids, the Halloween edition. I forgot what the collection is called, but it's in the video. This is R.I. Purple. In the video, I think I said rippable because I was not paying attention. I just like read it all at once. Rippable? I don't know why I said that. It was so silly. But it's R.I.P. I'm trying to get that glare off it. R.I.P. Herbal. There we go. R.I.P. Herbal. And it's such a pretty color. Actually, all of the shades were very pretty. And I have been keeping myself from going back and picking up more. Even the shades in this collection was really pretty. So yeah, make sure you go check out that video. So I think I'm gonna swatch these for you guys so we can see what the colors look like. I'm gonna swatch them for y'all. All right, let's start with the Pacific Blue. Oh, so pretty, so bright. Start off thin, outside the line, just like I do on my real nail. Try to darken it up a bit. Let it dry some, and then I'll try to do another coat, but so far that's what it looks like. All right, so let's do the R.I.P. Herbal. So cute. I love the Sour Patch Kids. Okay. Oh, this seems like it'd be a nice one coater. I'm gonna try to go over this blue a little more. A little darker, a little more of this one. Oh, this is so pretty. They both are really pretty. Now this purple one is a much thicker formula, much thicker. So I'd say this one is about a two-coater. I'm gonna say this one is probably about a 3, I would say, unless you use it for like a tint, you know. But my lighting is bad. Let's see if you guys can see this. There we go. So that's the colors. They're both really pretty. This blue is so bright. Loving it. So yeah, we've got SallyHansen Extreme Wear and SallyHansen Insta Dry. And these are both from CVS. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys have picked up any of these collections or colors. Tell me what you think. What color is your favorite? And thank you guys for watching.